Long time ago, Mina had a friend named Sheila. They were inseparable, sharing secrets, laughter, and dreams. Mina considered Sheila her bestie, a bond she thought would last forever. Their friendship blossomed through school, but as they entered the tumultuous teenage years, things started to change. Mina noticed Sheila becoming distant, spending more time with a new group of friends. She tried to understand, but Sheila seemed to slip away, leaving Mina feeling abandoned. One day, Mina discovered the reason behind the sudden distance. Sheila had been spreading rumors about Mina, tarnishing her reputation with false stories. Hurt and betrayed, Mina confronted Sheila, hoping to salvage their friendship. Sheila's eyes avoided Mina's gaze as she weakly justified her actions. Jealousy and insecurity had driven Sheila to betray the one person who had stood by her through thick and thin. Mina couldn't comprehend how her bestie had turned into an enemy. The rift deepened as the rumors spread like wildfire, and soon the entire school was talking about Mina. The once unbreakable bond was shattered, replaced by bitterness and resentment. Mina found solace in a new circle of friends, determined to rise above the rumors and negativity. As the years passed, Mina's life flourished while Sheila's choices led her down a troubled path. Mina focused on her studies and pursued her passions, proving that true strength comes from within. The tables turned, and it was Sheila who looked on from the sidelines, regret etched across her face. In the end, Mina realized that sometimes friendships can change, and people may take unexpected paths. Despite the pain, Mina emerged stronger, learning that loyalty and integrity outweigh the transient allure of popularity. The betrayal served as a lesson, shaping Mina into a resilient individual who valued authenticity over superficial connections. Though the scars of the past lingered, Mina embraced the journey towards self-discovery, leaving behind the remnants of a friendship that had soured into enmity.